Hi students, welcome to our channel Study with Posarla. Today came with another new problem. P equal to 4000, R equal to 5, T equal to 3. Then find the compound interest. Okay, so what is the formula of compound interest? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So what is P? 4000 into 1 plus R 5 by 100 whole power n is a t, okay, whole power 3. 4000 into 5 by 100 means 5 ones are 520s are 1 plus 1 by 100 equal to 1 plus 1 by 20 equal to 21 by 21 by 20 whole cube. Okay, this is 4000 into 21 by 20, 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. We are going to simplification. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 0 0, 2 ones 2 twos, 2 ones 2 ones. Okay, so we are getting 21 into 21 into 21. Okay, this is 9261 by 2. We are getting 4630.5. For more videos, like, share and subscribe.